There's a new feature in .NET 10, a simpler way to start with C# and .NET 10. In this feature, no csproj file is required. We do not need any CS. We can directly run our CS file. This is a very interesting feature available in .NET 10. So let's see a preview to this feature, what this exactly is. Microsoft gave a blog very recently on 28th May announcing a simpler way to start with C# and .NET 10. So, but the thing is that .NET 10 is in preview mode right now. So we will have to use the preview mode. It's in preview mode as of the writing of this. So let's first of all get the .NET 10 because it is not available in Visual Studio. I have Visual Studio. I will have to download this .NET 10 from their website. So if I Google it, I get this link, and here download .NET 10. They are giving various versions. So this is .NET 10 preview 4. Preview 3 to 1 are also available, and here they have given a lot of installation options. One is binaries, the direct binaries. I have 64x64 computer, but they have mentioned that it's available only supported in version 17, but Visual Studio version 17 is not available as of May 25 yet. It is not available right now. So we will have to directly get the binaries. We cannot integrate it in Visual Studio right now. I will get the binaries for my x64 and I am downloading it, and if we have them downloaded, then this is the zipped file that we get. And from here, if we see, it contains a lot of .NET exe and everything. I will create a folder somewhere on my computer, and I have extracted them all here in one place. So I have all of them in one place. I have already tested it. So if you open in terminal here, this file I was actually trying before recording this video. So I will just show you the version first. .NET version. The version here shows 10.0.preview. So this means that we have the correct version installed, and since I was testing it before recording, so I will delete this file. I will delete this file that I was testing, and once I have deleted, I will create a new text document, and I will give it any name. I am giving a continuous name. I put underscore. It's easier for command prompts to work with continuous names. And this is the file, and here I will try to open it with Notepad. I will say add it in Notepad, and while I edit it, I can write my usual hello world line console. No main, no nothing is required. This is good for testing, I'll say. This is good for quick test, and in fact this file can later be converted into a full-fledged project also. I'll show that also in this tutorial, but right now let's just print some hello, something like that. Coming back to the command prompt, I'll now say .NET run. I'll correct the name of my file, my_cs.cs. This is the file, as you can see. So I'll say .NET run and push enter. After some time, it prints that hello. This means that this file has actually been executed, and in a very simple way we have done it. We didn't need to go through all the. We can in fact run a .NET Core application also. You can go through the blog link I'll give in the description. They have helped us run a .NET Core. For this they say that you should link this SDK. This SDK through a special code hash colon something like that. So this will link my SDK for .NET Core, and as I scroll down, they have given a small sample code for a .NET Core application. I'll copy it, and once I copy it, I come back and I'll just remove the part that I do not need. I don't need this open API part. So these are 3-4 lines for a basic .NET Core application, and you can see that this is the application. After saving it, I'll again run it, and as you can see that it is in fact running the usual way, and this is the link they have given, that on this you can watch the code in execution. I'll come here and I've pasted it here, and you can see this hello world, this .NET Core application itself is running from this simple CS file. So you can test minimal API and everything. This is ASP.NET Core code that they gave. We can in fact convert this into a complete project also, which can be later on used for further sophisticated requirements. So I'll copy it, Control C to exit my application, and here I will type .NET project convert my_cs.cs. So this file will be converted into, and if I hit enter and if I come back, a folder my_cs has been created, and in fact csproj file has also been created. So this is how you can actually make use of the new feature. Thank you.